Hey guys, Eric Kent, 3rd and 4th Gen Tech here at BMR Suspension, and I am back here with our 2002 Camaro project, and we are going to address the exhaust today. When we got this car, the exhaust was a mess. It was a northern car, it had a lot of rust, and it was falling off, so we knew we had to take care of it soon. So for this part of the build, we teamed up with the guys at Texas Speed and Performance for a set of stainless long tube headers and true dual exhaust. These headers have an 1 3/4 primary, which flows to a 3-inch collector, 3-inch X-pipe, straight through mufflers, and a set of dumps just before the axle. The car sounds awesome, especially at high RPM. It really gives us that classic muscle car sound. The install was really straightforward and easy, and really cleaned up the bottom side of our car. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next installment, where we begin to address the issues with the factory suspension.